Hello and welcome to the English Shadowing Club. My name is Sophie. I am so happy you are here today. Today, we are going to learn something very important. We are going to learn how to learn English easily, naturally, and quickly. This is not just a lesson. This is a turning point. When you understand this, everything changes. Many people ask me the same question. They say, "Sophie, how can I get better at English?" And when I ask them what they have tried, they say the same things. They say, "I don't have enough money for classes." They say, "I need to move to London or New York to practice." They say, "I need to study 5 hours every day, but I am too busy." I understand. These feelings are very real. Many learners feel stuck. Many learners feel frustrated. They study for months, but they still feel afraid to speak. But today, I want to tell you something different. I want to give you a new way of thinking. Think about a baby, a small child learning to speak. Did that baby read a grammar book? Did that baby take a test? No. That baby listened. That baby copied. That baby made mistakes. And nobody laughed. Everyone encouraged. That is exactly how we learn here. No judgment, no embarrassment, only practice. Only practice. So I want you to make me a promise today. Promise me that you will not be afraid of mistakes. Promise me that when you say the wrong word, you will smile and try again. Because every mistake means you are trying, and trying means you are learning, and learning means you are growing. Think about a big mountain. To reach the top, you do not jump. You take one small step, then another small step. English is the same. You do not need to study everything today. You only need to do a little bit every single day. Consistency is the key. Consistency means doing something every day. If you practice for 10 minutes every day, you will be better than someone who studies for 5 hours once a week. Why? Because your brain loves habits. Your brain loves repetition. Now we have come to this video's main part. Now we are talking about how to learn English effectively. Are you saying? Okay. Tip 1. Deep listening. Quality over quantity. Many teachers say, "Watch movies," but movies are too fast for A1 and A2 learners. They are difficult. They make you feel tired. Movies are made to draw your attention to the screen, not the subtitles. Actors and actresses speak to express their feelings in a movie, not to understand your English. I want you to do deep listening. Deep listening means listening to the same thing many times. Don't listen to 10 different videos. Listen to one video 10 times. The first time you hear the words. The second time, you understand the meaning. The third time, you notice the grammar. The 10th time, the English is inside your head. Listen while you walk. Listen while you travel. Listen while you cook. Listen while you walk. But remember, stay calm. If you don't understand, it's okay. Your brain is still learning. Your brain is getting to know something new. Part 4. Tip 2. Start with your language, but finish with English. Your brain is smart. It connects new information with old information. So, it is okay to use your mother tongue at the start. When you understand a hard topic in your own language, you feel confident. Break the bridge. Do you want to speak fast? Then you must stop translating in your head. You need to break the bridge between your language and English. The simple steps. Now, listen to only easy English. Listen to slow English podcasts. Tip 3. Shadowing technique. It is gym for your mouth. Shadowing is the gym for your mouth. This is the best analogy for learning English. People can easily understand that just as the body is made by exercise, shadowing also cuts the inertia of the mouth. I will speak slowly. I will speak clearly. I will give you time to repeat after me. How do you practice shadowing technique? In this channel, I will use simple words. I will use short sentences. I will never try to confuse you. I will pause after every sentence. I will wait for you. I will give you space to breathe and repeat. I will say important words 2 times, so your ears can catch them clearly. I will speak with feeling. I will speak with energy, because language is not just words, it is emotion. I will not rush. I will not skip ahead. I will stay with you step by step until you feel ready. I will smile when I speak. I want you to smile too, because happy learners learn faster. Remember that. I will make it simple. I will make it enjoyable. I will make it something you look forward to every single day. I will teach you phrases you can use today, not next year, not next month, today, in real conversations with real people. I will be honest with you. Some days will feel easy, some days will feel hard, but I will be here, every lesson, every step. I will celebrate your progress. Every small win matters. Every new word you learn is a victory. I want you to feel that. I will remind you again and again that you are capable, you are ready, you are exactly where you need to be. Tip 4. Create an English environment. To change your life, you must first change your digital world. Your phone and laptop are your best friends, so you should change their system language to English today. When you use AI, Facebook, YouTube, or Google, Always search in English because this helps your subconscious mind learn and accept new words naturally. You need to keep your mind busy with English all the time so that everything you do, everything you think, everything you write, and everything you read will be in English. This simple shift will help you stop translating in your head and start speaking with real confidence. Tip 5. Self-talk. Self-talk is a very powerful way to learn English at home and improve your thinking. When you are alone, try to speak out loud about everything you do, such as, "I am opening my laptop now," or "I need to start editing this video." This helps your brain think in English directly instead of translating from your mother tongue. Next, you should start mirror practice by standing in front of a mirror. Look into your own eyes and speak because this builds your confidence and helps you see your facial expressions while talking. Finally, use your phone to record your voice and listen to it carefully. By listening to your own recordings, you can easily find your pronunciation mistakes and understand where you need to improve. Doing these 3 things regularly will help you become a fluent speaker even without a partner. Let's review our 5 powerful steps. Listen every day. Shadow what you hear. Practice thinking in English. Read aloud. Use English in your life. I want to tell you something from my heart. Learning a language is not a race. You do not need to be the fastest. You only need not to stop. Some days will be hard. Some days you will feel tired. That is okay. On those days, just listen to 1 minute of English. Keep the habit alive. You are doing something amazing. You are opening a door to a new world. See you tomorrow.